Right. So we're going to put some horns on, aren't we? So yeah, the single-sided horns, yeah, is what's going on. Now we've centralised the servos using the Hobby King servo tester.
Oh no, look at this now. I haven't seen you do that. Oh, one of them. One of them. No, not one of them. No, not one of them. Oh, lots of screws as well. 2 screws. Another one of those. Don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want that.
No, but we'll want another horn, won't we?
What we had to. Come on, get out. That's it.
Beautiful.
I know I am.
Right. So, you're going to slap the old horn on there.
Yeah. Vertical.
Phil's got the horn, yeah. Try have a go.
Yeah.
Oh, let's have a feel. There we go. Well, as normal, the servos aren't central, but that's good for me. There you go.
It was on the last one, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was probably better quality servos. Right, so should we put a screw in there then?
Oh yeah. Tiny, tiny screw. Hang on a minute.
And what are you doing there, Phil?
Making it tighten the screw.
Right.
It's all very technical stuff, mate.
Oh, this is, yeah.
Like an operation.
Lovely. Can see you've done that before. Yes, right.
A couple of times.
Let's flip her over. Do the same to the other one.
Yep, wherever it is. There it is. So
facing upwards this time.
Yeah, yeah. It's near as vertical as possible.
Yeah, yeah. As the servo will allow.
Yeah. That looks like it there.
Cool. Looks good. And then
I got it right away.
yeah. Put the screw in.
Verticals.
Lovely. Right. So what's next?
Well, you could fit those metal bits.
We could put the push rods on, couldn't we?
Yeah.
So we've got a pile of them here.
Yeah.
Are they all the same size?
No. Yes. I think they are. I think.
And how many have we got? 6 of them, hopefully.
I can see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
Oh yes.
Right, so they're all the same. So, should we install one?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Now, which way are you going to do it? Are you going to put the clevis on the control surface side?
I'm going to put the control, the bendy bit on there.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Agree with that?
Yeah. Now, have they drilled a hole out bigger? Yeah. See, look, the 4th hole is drilled out bigger.
Oh, that's useful.
So that's where the push rod's going through.
So that wants to be about there.
So shove that through the hole.
In you go. That's wrong. Let's go that way.
Go in from the top.
It goes like that.
Lovely. And then to there. So
it's not far off, is it?
It's quite a way off.
I'll screw in a bit.
You want screwing in a hell of a lot, yeah.
Let's see about there. A bit more by the look of it.
You've got to go a long way, yeah. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the. Let's have a look at the horn. We could actually twist that round a bit. Yeah, let's take the horn off because of the angle of the dangle there.
Yeah, that's true.
We could drop it round a.
Move it round one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think so.
Yeah, we can always undo it a bit, can't we?
Yeah. Beautiful. So now measure her up.
She wants to be undone slightly.
Yeah, that's good.
That's no. It's a. What's that thing? What's the? Where's the?
Well, let's just clip it in there and see what happens, eh?
Yeah, I'm not sure with these.
Yeah. Nope. Down a bit, up a bit. That's it. That's a good start.
Do we want to put the hose on it? No.
We can put the hose on later. Right, it wants screwing in a tad more, but press the button on the old servo tester above the knob.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Hey.
That ain't far out, is it?
I think we've got a winner there. If you press the button again, there you go.
Right,
that's centred.
We're on 150, yeah.
Yep, we're on 150. Good.
It's not
so
far off, is it?
No, if we just pop that off, and I reckon half one.
Perfect.
Close enough, isn't it? Right, should we slide a little bit of rubber on there? Keepers. We'll do one of them, shall we?
Oh, that's what they are.
Yeah. So, if we pop that off again, there you go. If you slide that onto the clevis, I could give you another RC Model Geeks top tip.
What's that? What?
Slide it on from the back.
Slide it on from the back. I'll take it off. Yeah, alright.
Oh.
Good thinking. Yes, of course. No idea where you are today, or where you are.
If you slide them on from the back, they're tapered, and so they'll go on easier.
It's just started, which is just what we want. We'll move it on further.
Yeah, that's it. Right, so let's drop that back in there again.
Like that. Like that. Which one's it?
We'll go for the outside hole to start off with.
What's that?
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, it slipped off. That's alright.
What's that?
Beautiful. There you go, she's done. One surface completed.
Yeah, excellent.
So we're back onto the rudder.
Yes.
Same drill.
Let's put this on first this time.
Yeah. Put the keeper on first. Find the big hole in the servo arm that they drilled out. Yeah. Third one down. Give it a wiggle. Force it in.
That's it.
And then get the length right. So let's put that straight. That's straight.
Isn't that far off?
No, that looks good.
Is it?
No. Drop it in there. That's it.
Put it in? Oh yeah.
Yep. Now let's have a look down the back, shall we? I would say that's pretty close. It's good enough to start off with.
Yep.
And we'll
tuck that on.
Oh, do you want to slide that on?
Yep. Excuse my wet mat. There we go.
Beautiful.
Let's have a play.
Go on then, press the button. Look at that.
Not bad, eh? Excellent.
Beautiful. Right. So now, you've got to be careful with this as well. We're putting in the impossibly stupid screws in the pre-installed servos. Phil's got it in there almost straight away. He must be talented. Looks good as well.
Yep.
Right.
This one?
Yeah. We've mounted the servo horn slightly off, just to give the ailerons a bit of differential. Not much, but a little bit.
Flaps don't matter, does it?
No. Flaps are central. Just in case we want a bit of reflex. Ain't much room going on there, is there? By George, he's got it. As you can see, there's not really much room there to get the screwdriver in.
I have to make a little mark, getting the angle.
Not a problem. Okay, so do you want to press the button again? Let's see what disasters unfold. Oh no, press it again. There we go.
That's good.
Beautiful. Oh, we're going to have to make a little bit of a modification here.
Cut a bit out on this one.
Yeah. So.
Good knife, I'll let you do that.
Alrighty. Do you want to hold the camera? I see we've got a mark here where it was moving.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's not looking good.
What's that? A screw angle?
Yep.
It's so close, that one. Right.
Better. Okay. So now, let's see if that works.
Horns.
You get on the button, and I'll put the camera in again. If you press the button again, just make sure we got the clearance now. Oh no, again. Yeah, well, they're not going to move that far anyway, so.
That's alright.
But that gives us the clearance.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Push the button. Right.
150, how do we get
press it again. That's it.
That's it.
So, now
Horns.
we'll put some horns on there.
Yes. Yeah, what have we got here?
We're going to have to make another cutout on the horns to give it clearance again.
Yeah, I think so. Just a little bit. That's touching now.
Oh yeah, but it sits further back than that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Remember, we want quite a lot of movement on the flap,
So I'll take a little bit off, shall I?
I would think probably, yeah, you want a good old snip off there with your toenail cutters. Beautiful. And
what's the screws for these?
Ah, right. The screws for these are these. 1, 2. Now we use a bit of Chinese glue again.
Yep.
A small dab.
A small dab. Yeah. See, it comes out. It's
Oh, it's your big hands, mate. That's the problem.
No, it's not me. I don't
It's your vice-like grip.
Artist hands.
Now what you can do is put the screws through before you shove it in there.
That's what I did last time. That's what I did last time. That one?
Yeah. You can actually push them through all the way, almost. That'll do.
That'll do.
That'll do!
Right now. Well, start it off. Just a little bit. Vertical. Vertical.
You can pretty much screw that in all the way, Phil.
Okay. Yeah, just feel it coming through.
Yep. And I'll put a blob of this.
Oh, that one's pushed right through.
That's alright. They're not meant to be threaded in the in the horn part anyway.
Right.
Right.
Reverse wing.
We can probably unplug it, can't we? Lovely. flip it over a bit, and then
do it like that.
Oh, watch out! Watch out!
Do it like that. Bit of glue. Oh, you got it already, then?
Oh, yeah, I've sort of glued it, and my hands. So, just a matter of screwing now. We've done the gluing. You just got to do the screwing.
Right. Very carefully.
No, hang on a minute.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Glue.
It's in there, isn't it?
Do you want me to hold it for you while you screw it?
That's right.
Oh, that's it. Keep winding it. Beautiful.
Lift this one a bit more.
Yeah, and remember it's only squeezing foam, so don't nip it up too hard.
That's it.
Cool.
Glue. Oh, got your glue anywhere, right?
No. Let's have a look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yep, that's good. Looks good to me. Right, one more. Do the aileron.
Right.
Or shall I do this one? I'll do this one. You hold the camera.
Okay.
Remember, that's level.
Right. Okay.
45 degrees. Right. A little bit of glue.
Oh,
A bit of chopping as
cut that
well.
off. God, look at that.
Chopping, we're going to keep on
Hang on,
rolling.
that's hanging on the end of it. There's glue everywhere. Right.
Oh, it's sticky, this Chinese glue, isn't it?
Yeah. A bit much, really.
Right. How dare they? Okay, not too close. That's it. Sometimes they just don't want to go in. There you go. Okie dokie.
As soon as that went down.
Right. Little plate. Little plate. Dob of Chinese glue.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, that'll do me.
Excellent. Good.
So,
Steady.
steady.